bear down on that last point, accelerating clinical trials, and how AI would do that, and whether AI ultimately could obviate the need for human clinical trials. What do you think?
I think you're spot on. I mean, I think that part of the genesis of the report that we had out talked about looking ahead over the next 10 years and thinking about all of the transformations that AI could have on the biotech industry. I think that starts exactly with what Giovanni was talking about, which is improving the patients and enriching clinical trials to best figure out how a drug works in which patients, by looking at databases and figuring out which of those patients are best suited, to figuring out how a molecule could be better and more powerful, more efficacious and safer, generated through data using artificial intelligence, and speeding up what is a 10-year, $1 billion project to, Tyler, we wrote in the note, immediately. I mean, think about a period where you could just ask an artificial intelligence program to best identify the molecules that would work. So I think there's a whole swath of opportunities over the next decade, and it's a pretty exciting opportunity to think about.
I'm not sure whether you're saying this or whether you're not saying this, but as a potential consumer of a drug, I guess I would draw comfort from the idea that the drug had actually been tried out on human beings and had been shown to be safe and effective, and not rely merely on a machine learning model to tell me that it is so.
Yeah. Well, I think it's an evolution, certainly step by step. I think, in 10 years, let's see how fast the technology develops. I would use the analogy of, I don't think, Tyler, 10 years ago, you would have asked, could you have a partially self-driving car? And of course, Elon is still talking about a self-driving car. That would have been crazy to hand over a machine. So I think the idea at the first start about enriching patient selections to figure out how a drug might work best to improve the odds of success is one step. Improving it using AI and then eventually testing it in a human would be the next step. So we still have different ways to go, but I think that's all very exciting, certainly for the industry and for patients.
Michael, will this benefit big money incumbents or startup mavericky biotechs more, do you think?
I think it's both. I think if you asked companies like Bristol Myers, which you did, if you asked Amgen and Moderna, I think that they are in the early stages of trying to determine, using patient data, how a computer could identify which genes are going to be the best to go after. I think if you then looked at early stage company, there's a lot of startups. I would say even some public companies like Schrodinger, which we mentioned, which is partially 10% owned by the Bill Gates Foundation, but other private companies that are trying to look at this with data and then improve the odds of success. So I think we've got an exciting 10 years, but it's the small companies working on this, the big companies working on this, Kelly, and I think that's going to be exciting over the next 10 years.